Hello, this is Lauren Sullivant, Registration Coordinator for American Quilter Society. In order to modify your registration, you'll want to go back into the confirmation email. So it'll be the name badge / agenda / confirmation, and it'll pull up your confirmation email right below where it says show books and name badges will be the view or modify your registration section. You'll want to copy your confirmation number, and then you'll click on the click here to manage your registration. That will then take you back in. It's going to remember your email address. If you have registered for multiple people and you need to switch that, you'll click that there. And then the confirmation number, you'll put that in. If you've forgotten your confirmation number, there is another spot for you to click right here, and it will send you an email with that number so that you're able to log in successfully. So then it'll bring you back here where it says, congratulations, you are now registered. Right down here below, you'll want to click on the modify registration. It will then take you back into your registration. So make sure you are not clicking on things that you have already registered for and that you want to keep. If you want to cancel a class or change your admission, you can unselect it, but then know that that is going to affect what you've already registered. So make sure you are not getting off of stuff that you have already purchased and that you want to keep. If you scroll onto the workshops and say, I'm taking this class, but I no longer want to take that one, you'll click selected here and then say, I want to take another one. So I'm going to click on this one. That will then swap it. And so 80% of the refund for the class that I have canceled will now be put back onto my card, and then I will pay for this full price of the class. So just know there's not a way to swap it, but it will give you that refund. And so then you'll just go back through and you'll select it, and it'll switch it out for you. And then you'll get a new confirmation email with a new name badge to print. So anytime you make a change to your registration, just know you always have to print a new name badge. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you at Quilt Week.